For the second straight day, Woodbury County officials are involved in mediation in Des Moines meant to try and avoid litigation over the county's over budget and often delayed law enforcement center. County leaders say they're seeking a settlement over issues in the planning, construction, and operation of the LEC. KTIV's Connor Trett joins us in studio tonight. And Connor, the mediation is of course private, so our cameras can't be inside. But what can you tell us about the settlement that the county wants to reach in this case?
Yeah, Matt, this has been an ongoing battle between the county and the project's architect, contractor, and engineer. The county has said it's willing to engage in this mediation to avoid taking the issue to court. Now, the several members of county staff and LEC Authority Board are in Des Moines for day 2 of this 2-day mediation with Introba, Hausman Construction, and Goldberg Group Architects to try and reach this settlement. In July of this year, the county sent out a demand letter saying design errors and repeated delays during and after construction of the Woodbury County LEC cost the county and its law enforcement authority almost $7 million.
And you have things that go way back to the concrete walls falling over, to of course the fire dampers, to of course the lingering heating and cooling issues in the building. And you've had there was a subcontractor that was suing the general over dirt work that happened years and years and years ago. So I mean there's been issues on this project you could say almost since day one.
Nelson says the county is seeking roughly $6 million in this settlement. The county's demand letter, which was sent out earlier this year, said that these persistent problems didn't just delay the opening of the LEC, but also created significant financial pressure on the county.
We've had to do a lot of hard work to not raise taxes, not increase the levy, while also trying to fund all of the attorney's fees and expert fees and construction on this project. And there hasn't been an extra penny anywhere. And so we're thankful for that hard work, but we would like to maintain being financially conservative and protective of the taxpayers' dollars.
Now, Nelson says if the county is offered a settlement, that information will be brought to a public meeting. He also said that he'd like it to be a 2-week conversation with an informational meeting followed by public input 1 week later. Nelson said that would help supervisors decide whether to accept this settlement or go to trial. Now, if the county is offered a settlement, Nelson says that he hopes to have those discussions sometime in December.